Yo, what is up everyone? This is Raphael back with another video. Today I'm going to be going over a simple way that you can get paid taking photos, walk around your town, that kind of stuff, guys. So if you haven't done so before, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell because you definitely want to be notified every time I put out new content. Alright, today's video is a pretty simple task that you would have to do. Of course, you're going to have to put in some work doing it. But once you get the hang of it, it definitely becomes very easy. I'm going to go through it with you. Just go through the website here and show you the steps in how to get started and how to start making money with this company, okay? But you can easily earn $20 an hour just for doing the tasks that they have there for you, and it basically involves taking photos, okay? Now what you want to do first is that you want to go to Google, and once you get to Google, you're going to go ahead and type in field agent. Alright, so once you've typed in field agent, it's going to take you to the website, and you can click on the link here. Alright, so what field agent is a basically they work with a lot of contractors, okay? So these people, they usually have their products up in stores, and they want you to go to the store and take pictures of their displays on the shelves. Basically, what they're looking for is to see if everything is set up correctly, if it looks neat, if it's clean around there, that kind of stuff. Okay, so they want to make sure that their products are neatly set up, they look good, people are ready to buy it basically off the shelf. Okay, so you're the one that goes in there. It's basically like you're an audit agent. Okay, so you're going in there, you're taking a quick picture, and you're sending it back. Okay, and then you may have to write a few things like just quickly summarizing how every product looks on the shelf, and you will get paid each time that you do that. Okay, so it's pretty easy tasks here. You're just going, taking a picture, writing some short summarization of everything that you saw, and you get paid for it. Also, there is some auditing done. There's some like mystery shopping also done. So some tasks involve you going in there, making a small purchase, or asking a customer service agent there about a product and just seeing how they respond, and you would also get paid for that also. All you have to do is just basically go in there, speak to them, go back out, basically write a short paragraph of what your experience was, and then you will get paid for that also. Okay, so this is a pretty good gig, guys. As you can see on the website here, it just says you're making money with your phone, you become an agent. Okay, so you'll join more than 1 million who have already downloaded the Field Agent mobile app. Alright, so for app users, you want to click here. These are the displays in the store that they usually want you to go in and take a picture of. So you would go in and take a picture of this Duracell display just to show the client that everything is set up correctly here, okay? The same for here. Okay, so these are the pictures that were sent back here. So that is what it is, guys. You're just taking photos. Okay, so you click here where it says app users. You'll come down here. You see you can download the app for the iPhone, and you can download it for the Android also. Okay, so if you have both phones, you're set and pretty much good to go there. All right, and right here, basically this is just the steps to get started. So it says you download the Field Agent app. Step 2, you complete your agent profile. All right, so you just sign up on step 2. And step 3, you'll find jobs that's near your area. Okay, so this will be the little map on the app there. You just look at whichever jobs that's close to your area, and you can go ahead and select that job and go do that job. Okay, you get paid through Dwolla and PayPal, so they can send you your payment through those two there, and you get paid right after you do your task. Okay, now this is the Android on Google Play Store, and this is the app Field Agent here. And as you can see, there's some reviews from people that have downloaded the app and they have made some good money with it. So as you can see, these are some people that left some good reviews here about the app and how they making some money with it. Okay, alright, so like I said, guys, it's a pretty good app here. If you like this content, please make sure you go ahead and like the video and also subscribe to the channel. I will be putting out some more videos just to help you guys make money from home. And also, guys, stay blessed. Have a great day.